So, primary school learners across the country were earlier this year given an opportunity to design the Africa Cup of Nations mascot. The public had an opportunity to vote for the best sport mascot to be adopted for AFCON 2013. Tumelo Mukwana from one of the primary schools in Hammanskraal won this particular competition. And so as the start of the 2013 African Cup of Nations tournament draws closer, we introduce you to Takuma. So that is going to be the mascot and something that you're going to be seeing quite a lot of. We're joined in studio by Sipho Sithole, who's the Chief Communications Officer for AFCON LAOC. Good to have you. Welcome to Morning Live.
Thanks, Leanne. It's great to be here.
Let's talk about Takuma. What exactly does it mean?
Takuma means perseverance, that you can succeed against all odds. And as you can see, Takuma has been very busy. He's just been unveiled to the public 2 days ago in Hammanskraal, where we went to the school where Tumelo, that designed the winning mascot, we had to go and present. And actually we saw the young boy, and it's just amazing what talent we have in South Africa.
That is amazing. Was there a big response to this competition?
There was a huge response. There were 300 schools that entered the competition. It was run by the Department of Sports and Recreation together with Basic Education. And there was a short list down to 3. So 3 kids were shortlisted, and then from that primary, then 1. And Takuma, as you can see, Takuma is here now.
Well, fantastic. I'm so glad. Well, it's good to see. Apparently, there's a bit of a problem with the microphone. Is it Sipho's mic? Okay, I'm going to give you this if you don't mind holding that mic and chatting into it. So let's talk a little bit more about AFCON. I think one of your biggest concerns now, we've got the mascot, we've done the draw, it's happening, it's kicking off on January the 19th, but we need people to go and watch it, and ticket sales is a major concern.
No, we are gunning for 500,000 tickets at the stadiums. That's all we are gunning for, nothing short of that. And we are asking Africans who love football, for football's sake, to make sure that they make us proud. There is no tournament like this on the continent. It's the ultimate soccer tournament in Africa. So we really need to make sure that people go out there and buy the tickets. We have made it very easy for them to get the tickets. They are very cheap. You can watch a double header for 50 rands. It's about $6. You know, and we're doing well. We're still concerned that we're still going to do a lot of push to make sure that we achieve our target. Our target for end of November is 10% of the 500,000, which is 50,000 tickets. We are approaching 45,000 now, so it's not looking that bad. But those are tickets bought by individuals. We still have tickets that have been requested by the countries, the participating 16 countries, who are purchasing a minimum of 2,000 tickets each. Zambia alone has already told us that they want 20,000 for every match that they will be playing. So you can see that we are going to get that target. If you look at the stadium next to Safa House, where the opening and the closing is going to be, we are guaranteed that at least 150,000 tickets should be sold out of those two matches. So it is not an unachievable target for us to get to the 500,000 tickets.
How do we go about getting tickets?
We have 4 platforms that people can access tickets. You can send an email if you're unable to go to the Super Spar or the selected Spar outlets. You can send an email to bookings at eqtickets.com. And then request the tickets, which will then be taken through by the telesales people.
Bookings at
eqtickets.com. You can also call the telesales center, sitting at home, 087-980-3000, and buy your tickets over the phone. You can get online at www.eqtickets.com, or you can go to the selected Spar outlets, buy them over the counter. But what we are also doing over and above that, for instance, tomorrow we are in Port Elizabeth. We are doing the 50 days countdown. We're going to have a mobile kiosk. We'll be going into the communities. So we're going to bring tickets to the people to buy those tickets. We just want them to make sure that there's no other hurdle of them getting to get the tickets. Yes.
Well, South Africans also a last-minute nation. We really are. You find that people start rushing at that last minute to try and get tickets. So I imagine that that's a comforting thought in a way. You want to get as many now, but towards the end...
Yeah, if you look at the trend, before the draw, we were about 20,000 tickets. After the draw, we sold about 10,000 within a matter of days. So you can see that people are going to get to this idea of buying the tickets. But what we are also saying is that don't wait till after Christmas or just before the schools open, because you're not going to have disposable, you're not going to have cash to buy that. Use whatever presents you had in mind. Buy those tickets, just buy tickets and wrap them in nicely and give them as a present on Christmas Day, as a present to your family.
Okay. Sipho, good luck. I know we'll be talking to you more ahead of the AFCON 2013 that kicks off on the 19th of January. 51 days today, so tomorrow is the 50 celebration,
Yes,
50-day countdown. And Takuma in studio with us. Thank you for being with us. Why Takuma? What was it that was appealing, very quickly?
In terms of the three designs, or
Yes.
the name itself?
No. Why did you go with him?
People voted. People
Okay.
voted. There was a voting line, and people voted for that.
he was the one that everybody seemed to love.
Yes.
All right, good. Well, there you go. This is the guy. Thanks so much for being with us again. Let's get weather.